What's up, guys? Okay, y'all, let's play a little game. Put a finger down if you're premenopausal age. Put a finger down if you've been going through it with your hormones. Put a finger down if them hot flashes is hot flashing. Put a finger down if you really can't put a finger down because your joints be aching. Oops. Put a finger down if you need some help and you're looking for a solution. I got that solution for you. Thank you, Samply, for sponsoring this video. And we're about to try this out because the past couple of nights, your girl been going through it with the hot flashes. I've literally been, can't go to sleep. I wake up hot, go to sleep hot. Y'all, this is not the life I'm trying to live. So I was asked to review this product, and I was like, shoot, heck to the yeah, bring it and send it immediately. This is how it looks, fresh out the package. It is a thick rubber material, very durable. And so all you have to do is take this out, fill it with the water, and then put it in the refrigerator. Okay, y'all, added some ice cubes. As you can see, it's not leaking, guys. Let me show y'all better. And I'm actually kind of hot. I just finished unloading the car. This is a different day. So those are the little bitty ice cubes that's in there. So let's give it a try. Yeah, y'all see the sweat. See the sweat. That is not water. Yeah, this feels so freaking good. It's like, oh no, I didn't know what to expect, but oh my Jesus. It feels so good. It's comfortable. Like, I don't know if you could tell, like, how it comes all the way around the neck, and the gel of the material is soft. So I could lean back, like say if I was in a bed, I could see myself like relaxing on it without feeling any worries of it leaking. But it's comfortable. It's not too heavy. Y'all, I would recommend this for sure. God, it do feels very good. Now, I don't know how long the coolness will last since you saw that I put ice in it. But just the touch of it is soothing to the skin. Like, real talk, real talk. So, that's my review. If I had to rate it 1 out of 10, I would give it an 8.5. Only because I don't know yet how long it stay cool or, you know, what have you. So, I'm just going to give it an 8.5. I think that's pretty high. It's a good rating. So I'm going to leave all the information in the description box. If y'all want to buy one of these, go ahead and pick one up. And the comfort by itself, like, I would recommend it.
Send your opinion for the rapper getting it wrong.